How to make a public profile on Snapchat. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So let's go and head on to our Snapchat. So once you are in your Snapchat, you will be directed here and go to your profile. Once you scroll down, you will see the option create public profile here. But if you don't have that option, I will show you how to get that option. So let us first scroll up to our profile and then click on the gear icon here and go to settings. And then once you are here in the settings, go to privacy control and go to contact me and set it to everyone. Also in the use my story or view my story, go to everyone. And then also in here, show me in quick add. So once you have done that, you will have the public profile. Or if you don't have this, the problem is that you may be underage or under 18, so you won't have this feature. So you can just go and start creating by creating here and continuing. So it is very easy and very straightforward process. So I hope this tutorial helped. Thank you for watching.